I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select BuddyBoss. Connect. Next. Choose an action. I am choosing to add the user to a group. Choose a group. Member will be added to the groups when you log in as your user and fill in the form. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Go to your BuddyBoss dashboard and navigate to Groups. View. Under the group, you can see that the member has been added successfully to the group. Thanks for watching.